So the Mint 400 for us is an incredibly special event. It's one of those that's really near and dear to our hearts. Back in 1971, the Mint 400 back then was actually the very first race that any racer, any competitive racer, ran our lights off-road. So that was Uncle Bob's Bouncin' Bronco. That was the very first vehicle to have KC lights in an off-road race. So to us, we've been tied in with the Mint back basically since our inception as a company in the early 70s. So to us, it's just a really cool, really special event.